Good afternoon. My name is Quincy Pinning from Professor Daniel Stein's CIS 205 class at Queensborough Community College. Today I will be speaking about Chapter 7 in our textbook, Storing Organizational Information Database. Now, a database is known as a core component of any system, no matter the size. It will maintain information about objects, events, people, and places. A database management system, or DBMS, is something that creates, reads, updates, and deletes data in a database. Here, which is very important, a relational database model stores all information in the form logically related to two-dimensional tables. Now, there are definitely advantages to using a relational database model. Using one can increase your flexibility, increase performance, and reduce information popping up more than once. It can increase information quality and increase information security as well. These will be very important if you have a business. A data-driven website carries many business advantages as well. One of the benefits is that it's easy to manage content, which is very true. It is also easy to store extremely large amounts of data. Now, a lot of people don't realize this, but without a database organization, things would be so much more difficult. Companies or businesses would spend a lot more time entering in the same information over and over again, then moving on to something more important. Businesses can also suffer widely from low quality and redundant information. This is not efficient or effective at all. On the other hand, having a database organization would make your business very efficient and very effective.